So this being a dimensional piece, I find the horizontal line in an elliptical shape, the vertical one, and that's going to give me the center right there for the nose. And then the cheeks, you're going to see one side on one side, and the other side is going to be a little bit dimmed down there, so it's going to be a little bit off. So as you go through that, the triangular shape that you make, if you can pinpoint it so that it does go into kind of a slight perspective, and then again trying to locate these eyes. So once you get that set up, any character that you draw, you have a character sheet, and this will help you build up that section. So there's the mouth, and there's this piece. So depending on what you have the eyes are kind of here, but you can always adjust them and change the expression a little bit. And then once you have that section, keep it. I'm just going to keep what it is for now. And then taking a little bit closer. So the light line usually is at the top of the form of an object, and the heavier one's usually on the bottom part of it, so it makes it a little bit easier to illustrate that. And here's like the upper lip of this guy. So once you get it, I'm going progressively darker as I go through this. And depending on what the expression is from this character on out. So same with the teeth. The teeth, they don't do it centered, but you can adjust it to fix that. And this is the part where the heavier line is on the base of the object. And if I were to make them looking up a little bit, again, putting a little reflected light as well as a highlight into that section. Okay, and that gives you that overall piece. Again, a little bit of the shading. I'm going to put a little bit of a chin, but a egg shape that has tone, just kind of like half the distance for the form, and that'll make it very easy to place in some of the shading. And then if you take a look at a couple others, as they turn, I just kind of overlapped a couple characters. Here's the overall circular part. The center line comes down. That gives me the shape. It makes it very easy. There's the triangular shape for the mouth, nice and straight. Then you just go ahead and curve it. And it arches in there nice and easily there. And again, as you do this character or your own designs, you're going to have your own layout of a character sheet that shows everything that's on there. So now I have this selection. I've kind of made the nose just a little bit larger. And setting that piece in there. And again, just kind of the shape of the eyebrows just echoes the same of this piece. Distance. And now I have a little bit of overlap of this character. Let's put a little tone. So kind of like this group setting. And this last one, just kind of a subtle difference from the front one. Here's the center line. There's the triangular shape. Again, it's once you get the geometric part in there, then you can add any subtle changes to it. And again, just they don't have the highlights in the eyes. It just adds a little bit more character to the cartoon face there. But it gives you a little bit of a setting, and then from there you can start to shade these in a little bit more and get some there. And you can add stuff to it. You can add bodies to it, you know, give it some arms or something, or get some character creativity detail in there. And see what you can come up with.